Well, my village is having a celebration in 3 days, so I won't be here to see you in 3 days.
Oh, that's okay. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay, well, it's getting late now, so I'm gonna head out to my village. I heard that there's a very beautiful girl, a couple of villages from here, that I really want to go see. But the thing is, she's human.
Oh, what did I already tell you? Tigers and humans can never be together.
I just want to go see how she looks like, Mom. I'll be back in 3 days. True, she is beautiful. The, are you awake?
Oh, oh, I am now. Is it new pie?
Yes, it's New Blight. Come out and see me. I really miss you.
Okay, hold on. You're not Noonply. You're a tiger. Mom, Dad, help me.
Mom, I brought Yang home.
Oh, you brought Yang home? Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry, we'll love you so much here.
Honey, dinner is almost ready. Hey, what's wrong? Tell me what's wrong.
I've lived with you for 5 years now, and it's almost the new year. I really want some new fabric.
Okay, I'll go get some fabric for you. Is is that a tiger? What's he doing here? Let me go follow him. Zar, I'm home. Here's your fabric. I'll be back. Zar, is that you? It's New Pipe. Zar, I can't believe you're still alive. Come back with me.
I don't know the way.
I do. Stop. Stop. I said stop right there. She's mine. Why are you taking her from me? She's my wife. You stole her from me. She doesn't love you. She loves me. Well, then I guess we'll have to fight then.
Goodbye, don't die. Don't leave me. I love you. Goodbye, please. Please don't leave me. Goodbye, please.
After all these years, you still love him. With my dying breath, I wish you nothing but happiness. There is a saying, no matter how much you love someone, if they don't love you, no matter how much you do or change for them, they will never love you. Two paths that will never become one. It's better to just let them go.